If you've got a Bissell TurboClean DualPro Pet that's not spraying water, I'm going to show you some of the possible remedies and how you can fix it and get it working again. So the first thing you want to do is remove your top tank. And then the second thing I always do is remove the bottom cover. Okay. Now, one of the most common causes for these to be clogged is that up inside here, that we can't see because the brush is in the way. You'll see all this dirt. There's little sprayer jets. So you want to take your hose, and instead you don't have to take this. You don't have to take this off, but you want to take your hose and spray up under here like so. It's not going to hurt anything. It's waterproof right there. Then you want to spray the top. Now that you got your sprayer jets cleaned, you want to make sure that water is getting through them. And how do you do that? You see this little area right here? You want to take that and basically fill it with a little water. Once you get it filled with water, pull your lever. Machine doesn't need to be on, and this water should drain. See how it drained? That shows that the water is going in here through the line and out the jets that we've just cleaned. The final thing you want to check is this here. Believe it or not, these tanks tend to get clogged sometimes. As you can see, somehow or another, there's a little debris in mine. Something always seems to get in there. So what you want to do is you want to take something like a popsicle stick and you want to press this part in and make sure water's flowing. Water's flowing. That's good. So now that you know water's flowing out of here, the drain under here is working, and you've cleaned the jets. If you've done all these things, there's a high probability that your Bissell is now going to spray water and you're going to be good to go. As one bonus tip here, I want to show you this. Sometimes you get dirt in here that's really impossible to get out because you see how thin this is. The only thing you need to do is just close this here, put a little bit of water in here like this. Now the water will be in here, and you just kind of tap, and you see how this works it stuff right to the end, and you can get it out. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Have a nice one. Hit subscribe.